Hi kids, and welcome to Wyoming. Today, me and my friend Jesse here uncovered a fossil right about here. It's a fossil of an unknown dinosaur, but we think it might be a leg bone.
I think it might be a leg of a stegosaurus, but it took us all morning. But at first we had to it was covered in a big blue tarp, and we had to dig out the tarp just to uncover it. But then there was a big white cast over it as well, and we had to dig to get that whole thing off. And we realized that this wasn't as preserved as it should be. And this plastic bag means that there was fragments that were fragile, and we had to be careful. But we were thinking that this might be a rib, this might be a leg, but it's good that we found a leg, but it's bad because it's halfway in the mountain and we'll have to dig to get it out.
Yeah. Alright, hi, I'm Ryan. This is like the second part of our group. But there's a lot of different tools we have to use to dig everything out and move the hillside. This is an oyster knife. It's used for like getting in the little cracks and wedging out the rocks like that. This big brush you just used to clear everything away unless it's next to a fossil. Then you use the little brush so it doesn't destroy the fossil. And then you got to keep the slate clean, so you scoop everything up in a dustpan and dump it in a bucket.
Hi, I'm Olivia, and so far I'm the only girl in the group, which happens often in science, but my section, what I'm going to talk about is the amount of bones that we found. When we started today, from here forward is what we came forward to, so pretty much this, back, and all over we removed. So we've removed pretty much about a lot of dirt. So for bone part wise, we think this might be a leg bone of some sort. And right here we think it's a joint and then a rib bone. So that's pretty much what we found, and it's still going back into the hill. So we're going to have to move the rest of the hill to get to this bone, but it's very exciting.
I'm Quincy. So coming off what just Olivia said, paleontology isn't just fun and games. We spent more than 5 hours just picking away at this rock face to get this little part out. And there's the heat, the humidity, and sometimes you just want to quit. But you find little things like this, and then I think that's just what makes it fun. You're just uncovering the earth.